Welcome back to the channel, your Culture Reacts. We're back with another video.
Yep.
Today we're reacting to the Sex Pistols. It's called Anarchy in the UK. First time reaction. Sex Pistols, famous name. Never heard that stuff. Just one of those.
Yeah, it's those. I mean, it's those names that if someone says the Sex Pistols, would be like,
yeah,
yes. I've heard of the name of the band, but I've never heard. Oh, yeah, heard the band.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's punk rock.
Mm.
I think it's one of that's my perception over the years or whatever the kids. But it's called Anarchy in the UK. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Okay, interesting.
And you couldn't, it was just like, yeah, we're wrapping this up. Get pissed, destroy. I'm putting a stamp on this.
Yeah. Okay. First of all, don't they remind you of the Arctic Monkeys? Like, I feel like the Arctic Monkeys probably got some inspiration from these guys.
Yeah, most probably. I know what you mean in a way, but these guys are more hardcore, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what the song's about, but what I get from this, it feels like rebel music.
Yeah.
It feels like something must have been happening in
At
the
that
UK in that particular time.
Yeah.
Especially now in the end, you see that the thumbnail for the other music video, God Save the Queen. They got the Queen with a thing, what's that, a pin or whatever,
Yeah.
through her nose. Obviously, this has to do with something that was going on in the UK.
Yeah.
You know, like
Yeah.
I see the part where he's like, is this the MPLA,
Yeah.
the UDA, the IRA? I thought this was the UK. I'm not sure what all those acronyms stand for. I've heard of IRA before.
Yeah. Yeah. Also.
But yeah, that's the feeling I'm getting. It's rebel music saying what the hell, what the F, and we're gonna rage.
Yeah. Do you know what this is like? It reminds me of, remember in the US they also had some sort of like when teenagers were going through not a revolution but a whole movement of like not even rage, but they had flower power. They were just peaceful. But during that time, remember like when they were going to, I think it was Vietnam.
Yeah.
That war. And a lot of people were just like, nah, make peace, not war, you know?
Yeah.
That's that version of what's going on in America. So I'm assuming there's something that happened in the UK, like you say. And teenagers also jumped on top of this bandwagon, whatever was going on. And they were probably expressing themselves through music, or were probably expressing themselves by, you know, just destroying everything.
Yeah.
You know? So yeah. It does have that, obviously, anarchy music, but it does have a sense of rebellion.
Yeah.
It has a lot of it sounds like teenage rebellion because these guys were really young at that time.
Yeah.
You know? But yeah, very interesting video. I do like the sound of the band. Yeah.
Yeah, same. I'm actually I wanna hear God Save the Queen actually. But yeah, so I think we'll do that reaction. But otherwise, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Support us. You're on the way to 1,000. Yeah, man. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.
Peace.
Cool.